Alright guys, so today's unit is from West Kiss. We got a closure wig, sis. So yeah, we have a 6x6 closure wig. This is a curly hair unit, so I'm super hyped. The density on the unit is 180% and the length of this unit is 26 inches. It also came, inside the box came the little pamphlet card, of course. It came with a wig cap. Also came with an elastic band so you can, you know, tighten up your wig if you need to add more security. And it also came with a nice silky red bag that you can store your hair in for use afterwards. So this is the construction, of course, of the closure. It has a comb on the side, a comb on the side, and a comb at the bottom along with the drawstring. And this is what it looks like on the back of my hand. Alright guys, so this is what the unit looks like on. I haven't put foundation or anything on it, and let me tell you, sis, this curling powder is about to be bomb, okay? It's about to be freaking insane. So I'm super excited to try this out. But this is how the unit fits without me you know, securing it down. I do have a small for my cap size, and my head circumference is a 21.5, and this fits perfect. I still wouldn't be able to wear it glueless unless I add the elastic band right here, sis. Then this unit can be definitely popping. But we're gonna go ahead and add some foundation to this closure. This lace is tinted, which I applaud, because normally once the lace is tinted and I add foundation, it just makes everything pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure that down with our Got To Be glue hold. Heightens the hold, y'all. This smells so freaking bomb. I'm using this today, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. And I love that with this formula, the spray does not do that running crap. It literally just stays in one spot. It stays where you spray it. And it keeps, we just keep it moving. Super simple, quick. If you were to wear it straight out the box, this would be the texture of the hair. You guys can see that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and detangle this unit, and I'm gonna zoom out so I can brush it out. So yeah, I'm gonna take my water and just wet it. I'm not gonna do it soaking wet because I don't want it to take forever to dry. So I'm just gonna make sure it is a little damp. Got my little towel here, and if it's 30 looking, it's because I dye with it, so it is stained that way. So it is a clean towel though, but you guys get my drift. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle the hair. Like I said, I don't want it 100% wet because that takes too dang long to dry, but I do want to make sure all the strands of hair has water on it. And if y'all see my unit flopping off in the back, if y'all knew, y'all know I don't secure the back of my wig because I always wear it in a downward way. So it's pretty wet, so I'm gonna go in with the detangling milk first. and that's how much I'm putting. Rub it together, start from the root and just work it in the hair. When I use curling products, I always OD because I just love my curly hair to look a certain way. And y'all, let me tell you right now, this hair is not shedding, okay? It's not shedding. Normally when I do my curly hair routine, that's when I get the most shedded. So I'm gonna put just a little bit more, and this stuff smells so freaking good, okay? The hair was already soft. Y'all already heard me say that in the beginning. But like I'm saying, now that I'm putting these curls back here, my hair is just like gliding. It's not getting stuck. Sis, West Kiss. I think West Kiss is about to be my new plug for curly hair. I'm not even kidding. Not even kidding. Now I got a few strands. I talked too soon. It did come with a few strands, but normally I get the most. Okay. I'm gonna spray a little bit more water on there just to make sure everything gets soaked up in there nice and good. Okay. Anyway, now I'm gonna go in with the Curl Reviver. This is gonna bring a lot of moisture in, but I'm telling you, that detangler. Now this stuff, it smelled a little weird, but it's not bad. It's not good as, it don't smell good as Aussie, but this is just gonna bring a little bit of moisture in. I like my curls to have a lot of moisture, especially at the ends. I don't like them looking dry and whatnot, so just gonna put an extra bit of love towards the end. Lastly, I'm gonna go in with my Frizz Taming Cream. And all these products, I'm telling you, they smell so freaking good. Like, all of this together smells good, but this Frizz Taming Cream, that smells the best. I just love that smell. I remember I went up the other day and somebody said, somebody smell good. Y'all, it was this Frizz Taming Cream. It had yoga smelling popping, okay? So I'm gonna leave it like this. And this Denman brush, I don't know if it's Denman brush, however you freaking say it, this defines the curls like sis. It just locks in that pattern, and however you keep it, and it's gonna stay. This is the key. I'm telling you guys, that Frizz Taming thing takes out all of that frizziness. And I leave it like this, and it stays like this literally all day. And just make sure you go in the back and crunch up. Just when you're done with all the products, y'all, this hair, look how pretty that is. I'm gonna speed this up. I walked you through the first section. I'm just gonna speed it up because honestly it's the same. Okay, I'm doing the same exact steps, but do you guys see how juicy these curls? Look at them. They're not frizzy, they're not hard, they're so soft. I think I found the secret, okay, to that wet hair look without gel, okay? Like, do you guys not see this right now? Now, I did go ahead and switch over to a middle part because I just didn't like how I was looking with the side part, y'all. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm super stoked. I really enjoyed working with this hair, y'all. This hair was by far the best curly hair unit I've had thus far. This clearly made it on my top. It clearly made it to the top of my list for 2020. So this hair is #1 at this moment. And I'm not even trying to, I'm trying to be so calm right now because the way that I feel about this unit is just it cannot be expressed in words, y'all. It's so freaking lit. Right out of the package, this hair was very, very soft. It was very, very buttery. Normally, like I said, with curly hair in general, I do have the most shedding when I do go ahead and detangle it, but I noticed that with this unit I did not have any problems with that. It was shedding, like I did start getting a little strands of shedding here and there. It was just a lot less than what I'm actually used to when it comes down to doing the curly hair routine and the whole detangling process. Like I said, you guys, I was showing you guys how easy it was to just brush the hair right on out, and that still stands. Okay, it still stands. Right now, this hair, like I said, I did my wet hair routine with this unit, and as you guys can see, this unit is probably like 5% not dry, so 95% dry. And as you guys can see, there's no frizz, there's nothing. The curls look very, very natural. They're not hard, they're not crunchy. This hair is just where it is at, literally. So like I said, I have no cons whatsoever with this unit. Love everything about this unit. Like I said, I don't have any cons when it comes down to this. So if you guys are interested in this hair, don't forget to check the description section below and get yourself this, because I'm telling you, once you cop this in your hand, you're gonna be like, you're gonna be like, this is the best curly hair you ever have. I have not had a better curly hair unit than this one right here. So yeah, until next time, I will see you later. Bye guys.